In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have the Google Sheets plus Trello two-way sync power-up installed on the exact board you want to connect, so you're set up to manage data between your cards and a spreadsheet without manual copy-paste. First, head to Trello and open your boards page. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage power-ups on the board you'll be using. If you're not an admin, you may need approval later, so it's helpful to confirm access up front. Next, open the specific board where you want the sync to live. Installing a power-up applies to a single board, so choose the one that holds the cards you'll sync with Google Sheets. Once the board is open, look toward the top of the page for the power-ups option in the board header. Click it to open the power-ups panel. Inside the panel, select Add Power-ups. This takes you to Trello's directory, where you can search and add integrations. In the search bar, type Google Sheets plus Trello two-way sync. You're looking for the listing that clearly mentions two-way sync, indicating it can both pull data into Sheets and push updates back to Trello. When you find the listing, click Add to start installing it on your board. If your workspace has restrictions, Trello may prompt you for admin approval. That's normal. Just follow your organization's process if you see it. Otherwise, continue and Trello will prepare the power-up for use. You may see a second confirmation step with another Add or Enable button. Click Add again to finalize and enable it on the board. After a brief moment, the power-up should appear among your enabled power-ups, and you'll typically see an option in the board header or the power-ups panel to open it. If you don't see it right away, refresh your browser and check the power-ups panel again. At this point, the integration is installed on your Trello board. From here, configuration and mapping happen inside the power-up's own interface, but the key work of getting the tool onto your board is complete. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Ensure you're adding the power-up to the correct board if you manage multiple boards, and remember that some features may depend on your Trello plan or workspace policies. If something looks disabled or you're blocked by permissions, contact your board or workspace admin. That's it, your board now has the Google Sheets plus Trello two-way sync power-up ready to go. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.